Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own origami envelopes. Really easy to do. You don't need any glue, any tape. It's just all about the folding. Here's a little cute ones you could use, or you can make them full size and put whatever you like in them. Great for invitations. I'm Christine of Christine's Crafts, and this channel is dedicated to crafting on a budget. So all you need is a square of paper. This is a square that's 12 inches by 12 inches and it's quite thick scrapbook paper. But you can use copier paper, smaller bits of origami paper, whatever you like. Whatever you use, it must be a square. And the first thing you do is fold it in half, taking one corner to the other, forming a triangle. And make sure as you go along that you make all your creases nice and flat. So once you've done that, you're going to take just the top surface and fold that point down to the bottom of your triangle. And then again, get a nice crisp crease. And then the only bit of measuring required is to measure the bottom of your triangle. Just measure all the way from one end to the other. And then you want to mark a third of the way along. So however long it is, divide that number by 3 and then mark that far in from the end. You see I've made a little pencil mark there. Then what you're going to do is take the point from the other side and fold it over exactly to that mark. Again, make sure you get a good fold. You start to see a little bit of an envelope shape appearing now. And then once that's down and you're happy, you're going to take the point from the other side of the triangle and fold that over till it reaches the other side. And now you have got a basic envelope, but we're going to form the little diamond that allows you to close it. So the last bit that you took, you're going to fold it back on itself right to that other edge. Get a good fold, and then you're going to bring it back and you're going to open that little pocket up, poke your finger right in so it opens at the bottom, and then flatten it to form a nice diamond on the front. You can see that that's where the top of your envelope is going to come over and fasten. So as you can see, sometimes it doesn't want to lie flat. You may need to just keep it under a book overnight just to flatten it all down. But you can see the top of the envelope there, and that's where you're going to fold. And bring the flap of your envelope down. And then it should line up perfectly to sit nicely in your diamond to hold it closed. And you'll see I'm making the whole table move, everything's moving here because I'm making sure I've got a really good fold. But that's it, you've completed your envelope. You can make as many as you like. You can see it only takes a couple of minutes to make one. So you can make them for all your party or wedding invitations. So that's a big one made with a 12-inch square bit of scrapbook paper. And I've got some small ones here I made with some 6-inch square origami paper. So good luck with your envelopes. Thank you for watching and I hope you've enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up below. Leave me any comments on what you're going to use your envelopes for. And please remember to subscribe to see all my other videos.